I have myself a plan on how I can stack more wood in here without worrying about losing it off the sides when I'm going from one edge of the property where I'm bucking it to over where I'm stacking it. So I got myself this 1-inch PVC, I think it's like an electrical pipe where they would run lines through. And then I also grabbed a bunch of these are PVC, this is for plumbing, soft hoses you push into, but I think I can cut this and they'll fit inside of here. So what I'll do is I'll make little extensions to go across here. Getting a little bit of heat on here just to soften it up a bit. Makes it easier to hammer these pieces into place. So all three are done, and I think I'm gonna paint them black. So here's the black paint job. Looks pretty good. And I found some elastic black paracord I had. It's like a stretch. So I'm gonna just feed that around a couple times, create a little more netting. And there she is, it's completed. Let's give it a test run with some wood next. That is a much bigger load than I normally take.